Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with Arabella Hair. Here I'm just showing you the wig. This is the 13x6 18-inch lace front wig that I will be dyeing. The dye I will be using is the brand Sparks in the color Blue Denim. The next color I will be using is also Sparks in the color Silver Mist. To dilute my color and make it lighter, I'll be using Adora Crystal Clear. Once dye is in bowl, you want to add some of the Adora Crystal Clear to dilute the dye and make it lighter. Once you have your tub of hot water, you want to go ahead and pour your dye into the water and mix it up until the water is completely covered with the color of the dye. Now you want to proceed with dipping your wig into the water slowly. The water is very, very hot. You want to take some type of brush or utensil to lather the hair into the colored water. You want to make sure the hair is fully saturated. Here you see the dye did not take throughout the entire wig, so I will be going in with my second box of Blue Denim by Sparks to tone the wig in the water. Now I'm going in with my last color, Silver Mist by Sparks, and I won't be doing the watercolor method for this since the hair is already saturated and wet. I just went in and did areas that I seen that was still blonde or splotchy. Now you want to continue with rinsing out the hair. I have noticed that with the watercolor method, you do get no dripping or leakage, which is a plus. So yeah, just continue to rinse out the hair. Make sure you get all the product out. This is what your wig should look like once it's been blown out and dried. Next, we're going to take some foundation and put that on the inside of our lace. Here I'm just showing you what your lace should look like once you put your foundation. As you can see, it blends seamlessly. Next, you want to go on with some 91% alcohol and just clean up the perimeter of your forehead for your application. Now I'm going to go in with some Got to Be Glued. I'm going to do 3 thin layers, starting from the top and working my way to both sides. Next, I'm going to go in with the silk serum and just apply that to the top and run that through the ends of my hair just to get out some of the poofiness and add back some moisture. This next part is optional, but I decided to go in and press the hair out before I decide to curl. Now I'm going in with my Got to Be Glued freeze spray and my hot comb just to press out the frontal and make everything look sleek and neat. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and cut and lay down my baby hairs. I'm doing 1 simple swoop in the middle, 2 by my temple, and then my ear sides. Lastly, I'm going to go back in with my Babyliss titanium straightener and add in some barrel curls to finish off the look.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I love it so much. It's giving me Monsters Inc. vibes. At the beginning of the video in the coloring tutorial, you see the colors I use. Sparkle, Denim Blue, and I used 2 boxes of that, and then I used 1 box of Silver Mist, and then for my tips, I used a bottle of Adore Periwinkle, and this is the only one I didn't show from earlier. I did cut the hair, as you can see. The hair did come, I believe, in 20 inches, and I cut it to I'm gonna say a 14, and then I dyed it. And this is the back. Took the color very, very well. Like I said, I went in with the color Denim Blue and Silver Mist, and then after I got done, I had dried it, and I didn't really like the way everything was looking, so I went in and did like an ombre with the Adore in the color Periwinkle, and I did not film it. I'm sorry guys, I forgot like midway through to think about filming it, because I didn't plan on doing this color. I originally planned on just doing the Denim Blue color, but yeah, I didn't get any well, no, I'm getting some shedding ever since I have dyed the wig. It's not crazy, but it's more than I would like. As you can see, I am getting some shedding. And then tangling, I was getting some while I was washing the hair, and then combing the dye through. But other than that, I'm not getting no tangling as I run my fingers through it at this moment. Super, super cute. And again, guys, this is Arabella Hair. This is their 613 glueless 13x6 lace front unit, and I dyed it. If you like this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.